right. The first thing that you need to do is we need to clear out the stuff in your calculator. So you're going to hit second. You're going to hit second, plus sign, 7, 1, 2. Yep. Okay. Yeah, you can hit enter, clear, or whatever to clear that off of your screen. Okay. Now, you have to listen and follow along to the buttons we're about to press. Okay. So relax and don't try to get ahead of me, because when I tell you to hit a button and then you're like, were we supposed to hit like 4? I might throw a marker at you. Innocent? All right. So we want to plug into y equals x. So we're going to y equals, top left corner. Top left corner, it says y equals. Okay. Okay. So it comes up to this screen, right? Okay. And we want to plug. We want y equals x. So this is our x that we're always going to use, and we're going to be using these quite a bit. So it's underneath your mode. It's like xt theta n. Okay. If you hit that button, an x shows up. So it's y equals x. Correct? Sure. Okay. Hit graph. Top right-hand corner. Big button that says graph. Okay. Just listen, please. The whole side conversation stuff needs to stop today. All right. So we want to know what we notice about the graph. Okay. Well, when they ask that, they're asking stuff like, where does it cross the y-axis? 0. Okay, so crosses 0, 0. Okay, and what's my slope of this? Okay, yep. Positive slope. Okay, so my equation, guys, was y equals x. So what was my slope? 1. So that means it goes up 1 over 1. Yep, positive slope, up 1 over 1. Okay, and we're only going to do a few of these together, and then you guys are going to be on your own, so you're going to want to listen to how we want these filled out, okay, because the rest of them will be a lot like it. All right, so now it says in x2, or in y2, it wants 2x. So go back to y equals. Yep, go back to y equals. What's wrong with you? Okay, relax. Okay, now, so in y1, leave y1 equals x, go down. So now it's blinking on y2, right? So y2, they want 2x. Okay, so now we want to see what that looks like, right? So hit graph again. Now it's got both lines. Okay, it's still positive slope. Okay, so we can say still positive slope, still crosses 0, 0, right? Okay, what do you notice about the slope? Is it steeper or is it less steep? It's steeper, yeah. So we have a steeper slope because it goes up faster. You got to think of like your stairs. Okay, so if you've got stairs that are super steep, they're going to be like that, right? Whereas the other one was more like that, easier to walk on. So this one, the 2x, was a lot steeper. Yeah, or walking up the steps. Okay, not so bad, right? Okay, so now, for right now, yep. So now, where's my button? Well, what's wrong with you, you piece of crap? Okay, so now, yep, so now we go back to y equals. Oh, I see what I have to do. Okay, so we go to y equals, and now down in y equals 3, they want what? 4x. So 4x. We hit graph again. And what can we say about this one? Even steeper, yep. So we can say even steeper, still positive, still through, still goes through 0, 0. Okay, so can we say something about these graphs? Well, not all the same. They all go through 0, 0, right? They're all positive, but what did we notice? They get steeper with the bigger the number in front of x, or the bigger, what number is usually in front of x? Slope, yeah. So we can say that the bigger the slope, what happened? Yeah, the steeper the line gets. The homework is going to be to finish this. Okay, so I